After the research stage, this video is the shredder box assembly. Hi, welcome to Slow Engineering. I'm David. While researching the shredder box, I found that Precious Plastic has already built multiple shredders for plastic recycling. It was more practical for me to get a stable design rather than creating one from scratch. I chose the 3.3 model for my compact use. I found a seller offering modified 3.3 shredder kits made of either stainless or mild steel, depending on the surrounding and upkeep. The stainless steel version is more suitable for preventing rusting. The blade material is the only concern I have currently. The entire model is made of stainless steel, including the blades. These stainless steel blades are softer than the original design. The answer I got from the provider is that the original blade material has low corrosion resistance and is unsuitable for salty, humid environments. Therefore, I decided to try these stainless steel blades. Starting from the blade assembly, separate 3 types of blades by the notches on the center corner. 1 notch is blade A, 2 is blade B, and 3 is blade C. These blade A, B, and C, when arranged in order, make a set. Put A first onto the shredder shaft. Then place the hex spacer in the same notch position. Next, I follow the notch position to lay down the blade B and the blade C can be installed similarly. You can find out these blades form in a spiral shape. With a finished set, rotate the reference notch to the next corner of the shaft with the same orientation as the blade set, repeating the process until all the blades are placed onto the shaft. To secure the blades in place, slide the rubber rings and the spacers to both sides of the blades. Later, add a shim as the contact with the bearing on both sides. Go to the bearing side panels to install the bearings. It's essential to check the directions of the fixed blade, with one side tightened and the other loosened for further adjustment. Slide the shaft into the tightened side of the bearing, and insert the other side of the bearing plate for a stable stand first. Place the front and back plates with 3 teeth on the top side, in between the two sides plates. Use a rubber hammer to fit 4 plates together. Finally, position the shredder onto the base plate and securely attach it with a hammer. Now is the time for the fixed blade. The fixed blades are divided into 2 types. Small ones align directly with the rotating blade, and large ones sit between the blades. Continue alternating between the small and the large blades until they are all situated on one side. Use 2 long screws to go through all the fixed blades and tighten them. The fixed blades should be fixed without movement. Otherwise, use thin blades to make all fixed blades in place. Now let's check about the blade state. The blades should rotate freely with minimum resistance. However, I encountered an issue where the blades stuck while rotating by hand. After investigating, I found that shaft edge was too close to the side plate, creating a large contact area. I disassembled the bearings and added more trim on the shaft. It still had no lock with free rotating. I ended up with a solution to place the washers between the bearings and the side plates to have more clearance for the blades. After checking the fixed plates and other hammering for the top plate, double check the orientation with the base plate before hammering it in place. 4 long screws go through the top plates to the base plate. Tighten them to squeeze 2 plates together. I also ordered a 5mm hole mesh for filtering the plastic. Flip over the shredder box and install the mesh at the bottom. The last part is the hopper. It comes with 4 sheets metal. Use a hammer and thick rubber pads to bend the sheets. Then fasten several screws and nuts to build the hopper. Finally, tighten the hopper on the shredder box to finish the shredder box build. This is the shredder box assembly for the Recycling 3D Prints project. Like, share this video and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed, or consider becoming a Patreon member to support more projects in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.